The sun is so bright today.
Perfect Sunday weather.
Look at them sleeping. So peaceful.
Tom looks like a little angel.
Should we wake him now?
Let's open the curtains first.
5 more minutes. Good morning, sweetheart.
Time to wake up, buddy.
Is it Sunday already?
Yes, our family day.
Oh, family day? Really?
Really? We have big plans today.
What are we doing?
First, let's brush your teeth.
Look at all the bubbles! White bubbles everywhere.
Are you brushing properly?
Yes, Dad. Brush, brush, brush.
Good job. Fresh breath now.
My teeth feel so clean.
Healthy teeth, happy boy.
What do you want for breakfast? Can I have cereal?
With cold milk?
Yes, cold and fresh. I'll make some toast too. With strawberry jam?
Of course. Sweet and yummy.
Family breakfast together. We have lots of time today.
Where are we going first?
The park.
I love the park.
Put on your jacket, Tom.
Okay, Mom.
Need help with your shoes? Or shoes?
These shoelaces are too long.
Let me help you.
All ready now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look, yellow flowers.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Spring flowers by the fence.
Dad, a big dog.
Wow, he's running fast.
Look at him go.
Run, dog, run.
Can you hear the birds?
They're singing. The street is so calm today. The swings. Can I go?
Of course, sweetheart.
I'll push you.
Higher, Dad. Higher.
Feel the wind in your hair? This is amazing.
Now try the slide.
I'll climb up the stairs. Be careful, Tom.
Watch me go down.
Again, again,
And again.
Let's rest for a moment.
come sit with us, Tom.
Look at those little birds.
Small birds, small bread.
Life is simple for them. And for us, too, today.
I love Sundays.
Me too. Sundays are the best.
Everyone in the car.
Where are we going now? The shopping mall.
And lunch?
And lunch?
And lunch?
Yes, and maybe a movie.
A movie too? Really?
It's our family day.
It's our family day. I love this song.
The road is so calm.
The sky is so blue.
Wow. So many lights.
The mall is busy today.
Many families are here.
Can we eat first?
Let's go to the food court.
Good idea. I'm hungry too. Pizza? Burgers? Noodles? Let's choose something healthy.
Rice with vegetables?
And chicken with soup?
Perfect choice.
Healthy food, strong body.
This rice is so warm. And the soup smells nice.
Take a sip, Tom.
Warm and fresh.
Not too heavy, not too sweet.
Just right for lunch.
Can I have some water?
Of course. Water is better than soda.
A simple choice, but a good one.
Can we look around?
Yes, but just look.
Look with your eyes, Tom.
I understand. Look at these picture books.
Bright colors and big animals.
This one has a lion.
Do you like it?
Yes, but I can just look.
That's very mature of you.
Oh,
A toy car.
it looks fast.
Can I hold it?
Of course.
You put it back?
Looking is enough today.
I'm so proud of you. I'm going to share it best in the ball.
The joy of sharing is enough.
The posters are so big.
Which movie should we see?
A family movie.
That one looks fun.
Let's buy tickets.
Many families are waiting.
Can we get popcorn?
Of course.
Warm and crunchy.
The smell is everywhere.
Here's your small box.
Thank you, Mom. The movie is starting. Wow.
Eyes wide, Tom?
Eyes wide, Tom.
This is amazing.
The lights are coming on. That was so good.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
A good movie makes us laugh.
And dream.
Your eyes are full of stories.
Can we come again?
Of course. Another Sunday.
We're home now.
What a long day.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
I'll cut some apples.
And bananas, too.
With warm milk?
Yes, warm and gentle. The apples are so sweet.
And the bananas are soft.
Bread with butter?
It melts in my mouth.
Simple food, light food.
Perfect for evening. I like snack time. Short but happy.
Short but happy.
Can I play with blocks?
Of course, sweetheart.
build a tall tower. Look!
It's going up.
Higher and higher. Oh no! It fell down.
That's okay. Build again.
This is so fun. I love watching you play.
The evening is so soft.
Time to clean up now.
Already? Clean up, clean up.
Okay. One by one.
Blocks go in the box. Cars line up here.
Good job, Tom.
Clean room, quiet room.
Story time now.
Which book tonight?
The one with animals.
I love that one.
Get under your blanket.
The cat sleeps.
The dog sleeps.
My eyes are heavy.
Close them, sweetheart.
We're right here.
Good night, my love.
Good night means peace.
Sleep well, Tom.
The day is finished. Oh.
From morning to night.
Park, lunch, movie, home.
A full family day.
A Sunday to remember.
Thank you for today.
Ein noves versuchs commission.
I love our family.
I love our Sundays.
Good night, my love.
Good night.